Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you on how to use the costume editor in Scratch. Let's get started. Let's go into costumes, and here we are in the costume editor. Scratch has two different types of editors, the vector editor and the bitmap editor. If I press convert to bitmap, we go into the bitmap editor. The bitmap editor is used to create pixel art. Let's go back to the vector editor and let's delete this cat. On the left we have a lot of tools, and on the bottom right we can zoom in and out. Let's go through the tools. There is a rectangle tool to create rectangles, a circle tool to create circles, and if you hold shift you can create perfect circles and perfect squares. The line tool allows you to make lines, and if you hold shift you can make some very straight lines. Next is the text tool. You can write down text and you can change the font. Next we have the fill tool. You can change the color of objects. Let's make it red, so we can change the inside of these two this rectangle and this circle, and we can change the outline color of this circle and this square. We can also change the color of lines and the color of text. Next is the eraser tool. It allows you to erase things. Next we have the select tool. You can select an object and you can modify its properties. We can decrease the size of this rectangle and tilt it. We can also give it a thicker outline or no outline at all. We can also change its color here. Let's make it a bright turquoise. We can also copy it and paste it. We can flip it horizontally and vertically. We can send it to the front layer and to the back layer. Next we have the reshape tool. The reshape tool allows you to change the shape of an object. So I can create a point here and I can drag it down like this. I can change the intensity of the curves on both sides, and I can make another point over here, but instead I'll make it a pointed point. So we can also do it the same for this side. That's the end of the vector editor. Now let's go into the bitmap editor. Let's just delete this, and we have almost every single tool. We have a brush tool, a line tool, a circle tool, a rectangle tool, a text tool. We can change its font, a fill tool, an eraser tool, and a select tool. To select objects in the bitmap editor, you have to drag and you can select an object. You can also take little chunks as well. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum.